How to add multiple audio tracks in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure you are in the edit page. This is where you will do most of your timeline work. Next, right click on the timeline area and choose Add Track from the menu. Then select Add Stereo Track or Add Mono Track depending on your audio needs. You can repeat this step as many times as needed to add multiple tracks. Now, to assign or move audio to these new tracks, just drag and drop your audio files from the media pool directly into the new tracks on the timeline. You can layer background music, dialogue, sound effects, and more in separate tracks to keep things organized. If you want to rename your tracks for clarity, right-click on the track header and select Rename Track. This helps when working on larger project where each track serves as a different purpose. Also keep in mind that you can adjust volume, pan, and effects for each audio track separately by clicking on the track and using the inspector panel. This gives you full control over your mix without interfering with other audio layers. Finally, when you are done setting up your audio track, make sure to save your project and check everything during playback to ensure all tracks are aligned properly and sounding the way you want. And that's it. Now you know how to add multiple audio tracks in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.